Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to add sub-bullets in Notion. If you've ever wanted to organize your thoughts, break down ideas, or just make your Notion list a little more structured, this tutorial is for you. By the end, you'll know a super simple method to create those handy indented lists, and your notes will look cleaner and make more sense for any project you're working on. Let's jump right in. First off, in Notion, creating a basic bullet list is really straightforward. To get started, just type a /, that's the key, and begin typing bulleted list. As you type, you'll see Notion's command palette pop up with suggestions. You want to select the option that says bulleted list. Go ahead and click it, or just hit enter when it's highlighted. Instantly, you'll get your first bullet point, ready to go. Now, just start typing whatever you want for your first bullet. This could be anything. Maybe it's a main topic like groceries or project tasks. What matters is this is your headline idea. Once you finish that item, press enter to create a new bullet underneath. You can keep adding more main bullets, and each time you hit enter, Notion automatically gives you another bullet point. It's quick and intuitive and works great for listing multiple top-level items. But here's where things get interesting. Say you want to break down a bullet point into smaller parts. For example, under groceries, maybe you want to list fruits, vegetables, and snacks as subcategories. This is where sub-bullets come in, and they're really easy to add. To do this, after you've typed your main bullet and pressed enter to create a new line, now press the tab key on your keyboard. What does this do? Well, pressing tab indents your cursor, and Notion will turn the bullet you're working on into a sub-bullet nested underneath the previous one. So instead of all your items lining up at the same level, you get that nice tree-like structure, just like you see in organized outlines or meeting notes. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect right away. Sometimes it takes a second for Notion to catch up, but you'll see the bullet move inwards, kind of like shifting it underneath its parent point. You can repeat this process as many times as you need. So for every new bullet, just press tab to create as many layers of sub-bullets as you want. If you accidentally indent too far, just hit Shift plus Tab, and Notion will outdent the bullet, bringing it back up to the previous level. It's really flexible, almost like outlining on paper, but smarter, because you can create sections and subsections for any kind of information. A quick example. If you're making a to-do list and want to break down a big task into smaller steps, sub-bullets are perfect. You could have prepare presentation as your main bullet, and then press tab. You'd add sub-bullets like draft outline, find images, rehearse speaking points. It really helps visually separate big ideas from the details, so your lists don't get jumbled or overwhelming. And that's it. Adding sub-bullets in Notion is as simple as typing bulleted list to start, hitting enter for new points, and then tabbing to create those handy indented sub-bullets. Give it a try and experiment with nesting different layers. You'll be surprised at how much tidier your notes and lists look. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Drop any questions you have in the comments below, and I'd be happy to help you out. And if you want more Notion tips and productivity tutorials, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.